Hey. Fort Erie, Ontario. So that's a Canadian folk. Many of them are residents of Pennsylvania, New York, and New Jersey. The other part to this park here is over here. We have Russell J. Salvador, and this park is actually dedicated to Russell J. Salvador. So that's him there on a podium, and then there's a little bit of a book there you can read about for Russell J. Salvador. In this park, we have this huge flag of United States of America in the middle. Russell J. Salvador, protected here, and that's housed inside this little facility. And then we keep moving on. You'll see over here we're going to pay our respects to the Tomb of the Unknown Soldiers. So there's so much to see. The military is over there, Tomb of Unknown Soldiers, and then over here we have I think that's wall piece of Pursuit of Justice, the founders of America, and then we have something we'll check out there in a bit. So like I said, everything is nice and clean. I apologize for the shaky video. We were actually just driving along, we saw this here, so we decided to check it out, but I didn't really realize how nice it is. So over here we have an old replica of, actually this is a real military vehicle. So there you can see the ammunition. This is the vehicle that was used in the war, and then it has the star over there, and everything is sort of protected. There's a seat, the helmet, the mask, everything is sort of intact, and the light for navigation. This is the older style vehicle over here, which is pretty awesome. And then over here we have more pieces. It's sort of a museum in this park. We have a soldier there using the satellite phone back in the days. Interesting to see. We have a bottle there, not sure if he was drinking. And then we have one of these machine guns. You can see it right there. So that's the machine gun. Very interesting. And then we have a tanker, 521 tanker, and it's in its original state. And then you can see all the chains, the pistol, and then there's a soldier there looking out in the tanker. And then there's some more little history protected here. There's a soldier there shooting out one of the missiles. And then over here it's actually, there's a little bit of a momentum here. This memory was inspired by artists Don Piero and Russell Salvador. The desire to honor our country's service personnel. An iconic piece here of this park is where you have the soldiers one of the soldier moving a body with a helmet in the hand. So there you have it. And over here now you'll see the tomb of the unknown soldiers. So this is one of the most important part of the war, where when soldiers died, we're unable to return a body back to the home country or to the relative, or we cannot identify the body. And this tomb is dedicated to those soldiers that paid the price in war, and their body cannot be found or identified. And we always come here and we put a wreath on this here to pay our respects. Most cities big cities have a tomb of unknown soldiers. I know DC has one, but there's also one here in Buffalo, which is very awesome to see. Also, just want to show you the last two pieces in this park. The audio is pretty loud, so hopefully you can hear in the background. But the last two pieces in this park is over here. This is the In Pursuit of Justice piece. Like I said, this park is more of a memory. So it says in memory of Tuesday, September 11th. So basically, this is the bombing on September 11th that happened, and it's a replica of that scene. So the piece up there that you can see is from the Twin Towers that went down. And then you have the people that got affected by September 11th. You have people that went to work. You have people that were just doing the normal day activities. They have the firemen that helped clean up the after the bombing, and some of them lost their lives. And then you have the service people that were helping out, even the animals that were helping out to clean up the debris. And this is a really nice, because you can actually see the debris from the bombing, and it's pretty cool. It's nice to see that you have a piece of history still standing, and that is the Twin Tower from September 11th. And we're coming up to the anniversary of September 11th, so it's nice to see that this is being remembered. And then you have the flag of the United States being pulled up. And then the last piece, just gonna give you a big view of that is. So this is what the entire piece looked like, as you can see there. And then the last piece is over here in this park. This piece here is an art, so basically a painting. Looks like an oil painting. And this here, we see the back of the fire trucks which someone had hung on our flag, K9 dogs badged from the burn sleeps in the master jacket. So basically it's a replica where you can see the fire truck, the flag, the United States of America flag hung. There's a puppy or a dog there wrapped up in a blanket, and then you have the firemen coming back from putting out the fire. So it's dedicated to our firemen service who are there always saving the day. A really beautiful piece. It's all painting and it's really big. A really nice piece. And the last piece here before we head out is in honor of those wounded during combat war. So over here you can see the eagle flying high, and then you have the seal there for America, and in bottom here you have some give all give some, military orders of the Purple Heart. So there's a Purple Heart badge for families who lost their relatives in the war, and in sacrifice, their sacrifice made us live in freedom. So that's a really nice statement there. Because of the sacrifice of the soldiers who lost their life, we are free and we avoided what was gonna happen. And over here is a momentum. These are Gold Star momentum for the family. Gold Star Memorial, a tribute to the Gold Star family who who loved ones pay the ultimate prize defending the country. And then there's a sponsor there where it came from. And then there's a couple unique trees, memory of the Rotary Club. But it's just well maintained, clean, a really nice place to come and visit and explore. Beautiful park, and it lights up in the night, so you can come this anytime in the day. So there's a statue here of Saint Michael, Archangel, and it's a symbol of law enforcement and military. So this is the last piece here in the park. There's other trees around that has symbolic value, but this is the park. Hope you guys enjoy. Check it out. Alright, so I hope you guys come and check this out. This is a wonderful park, so much to see. It's very simple and easy to find, and it's a dedicated park for all our soldiers that lost their life. Also a replica of all the major buildings here in the United States. And this is located in Buffalo, just off Niagara Falls. So it's easy to get to if you're within Canada or US. Hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Tell me your favorite part of this park, or if you've visited this park before. Other than that, see you on the next video.